Okay, let us talk about this thing you can see on my screen. Okay, this thing is about a $10 account. Made a profit of 1,500 within 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks. A $10 account became like 1,500. Okay. If you want to understand this thing, you watch my last video where I turned that $10 into making $400. I gave explanations of how it was made within just 3 days using a $10 account. Now it's 2 weeks. The same $10 now is making like 1,500. Some people might say, is this really true? Okay. Because everything has a data, and the data you're looking at is when you look at the balance, you can see a minus. Can you see? Minus $200, right? So you could really tell that it's true that this account started on a $10, and because if you have a balance of minus, right? You have a balance of minus. Definitely your capital for starting could be zero. If you have a balance of minus, it means there was no deposit made. That's why the minus remains here. If any deposit was made, then only the deposit made you will see in the balance. But here in the balance, you see a minus, which shows you that it's true that a $10 account became, in 2 weeks, 1,500. Okay? Now, if you look at how did I do this, first I want to tell you that all this thing is based on experience and how long have you been trading Forex, what you know about the Forex chart, how to read it, how to know exactly where the trend is going. This is what my own video is always based on. Know where the trend is going. If you know it, every other thing, it's additional. Now, look at the lot size I've used to turn a $10 account to 1,005 within 2 weeks. Very low, tiny lots, and all these lots were open in different days and different levels in the market. 156, 155, 151, 156, 149, 148, 148. Different structural levels. It's not a trade open in one day. Definitely that shows you that this strategy is about a kind of trend following. Like, yes, we know where the trend is going, and we started to follow the trend till we get to this point of making 1,500 for just like 2 weeks with a $10 account. Maybe some people might want to ask, if I have a $10 account, how long is it going to take me to make a huge profit? You see, everything depends on your own knowledge. Have you learned? Did you learn Forex? Do you have the good tools that can show you where the trend is going? The secret of this Forex thing is that you should know the trend, where the trend is going, and how to follow it. Do you know how to follow it? Everything now is based on your own experience and your knowledge. Okay. In this channel, I've done this before many times. The first time I did this, when I built like $200 to $400 within 2 days. I have all the videos. Go to the channel, you will see the videos. And then I have a $400 turn to $700 within one day. I have the video. And I have another video of $700 became $7,000 within one day. I did it. I have the video. It's an 8 hours video. If you check it out on my channel, you will see it. $700 became $7,000 within one day. I've done it before. So, which means what? Which means I've built the skill of building this type of money. So, I know how to build this type of money. The type of lot size I'm going to use. How I'm going to follow the market. My own trading system. Not even the EA or AI, but it's me following the market. What is the tool that shows me the trend? Because when you look, you see this is not a fake account, this is a real account. Everybody knows how a real account looks like. We have some other pending orders at 146 and 140, which shows that I am this guy that really looks into where the market is going before it will ever moves. I've made the video before that I told people that, look, if you don't know where the market is going before it ever moves, forget it. But if you know where the market is going before it ever moves, then in your mind, you have made profit before you ever plot one trade. That is the type of trader you want to be. You know? Somebody asked me in the comment section of my video, says, hey, you are just making noise. You are just showing profit. You are not showing your strategy. But I said, if I show you my strategy, are you going to learn? Are you going to be patient to learn? A lot of people just want to sit down there. They don't want to learn, but they just want you bring them the ready-made soup. Give it to them, serve them, put the soup in their mouth and let them lick it. And I know those type of people are people that will make it from you, and the next they forget about you. We've seen it a lot. I'm a Forex mentor. I'm a Forex coach. All my videos based on the beginners Forex trading. How a beginner can be successful in trading Forex. I've said it that everything is about learning. Learn till you start to win, and learn till your winning became consistent. But how many people want to learn? You will never learn, because you will never prepare yourself to be able to make this type of profit, because you don't want to learn. When you learn is when you make this type of money. You can do this over and over again, like I do. I did this one over and over again. It's not my first time. If I say, maybe it could be my 10th time making this type of money over and over again. You know, this video is not going to be longer. I'm not going to do much of ranting. When somebody say you're not showing your signal, your strategy, but I said, go watch my video from day one. I got all my strategy in there, because I'm not going to be repeating what I've done long time ago. I just need to keep moving forward with my own stuff. If you see my result, you want to learn from me, watch my video from day one. Watch my Forex video. I've made different strategy of how you can achieve result like this. There are tools under the description of the video, the tools that can help you as a Forex trader to know where the trend of the market is going, because many beginner traders, they do get confused about the trend. Of course, every one of us started that way. Maybe the trend is going a smooth way, but it will get to a point where you became confused. You don't know where it's going anymore. But only a tool will help you. If you check out my videos, you will see I've put the tools under my video. If you get to my own YouTube channel, you will see the video talking about the tool is the video on my first page. Because that tool is only going to teach you how to know exactly where the market trend is going. If you know this, man, if you know this, you've really saved your own finance. How good is it if you can trust yourself that you bring out a $10, you bring out $10, you bring out $10 and you're going to turn it to like 1,500 within 2 weeks. Some people will say it's not possible. But if you say it's not possible, it means you cannot do it. You can't achieve it. But when you say it's possible, then you can do it because you trust yourself. I will see you guys in the next video. But what I want now is just check the link under this video. No. Check the tool that I put under this video. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel because, man, I keep dropping this type of result. This result is going to motivate you too. So take care. This is Forex Strategy Factory, man. Take care. We see next week again. We see how far we have gone with this. But I know we're going far, man. Far away.